Hi, I'm CB Arun Kumar, Dean for Communication Design, Film and Gaming at Pearl Academy. Communication design is essentially how do I use audio, video, graphics in our interaction, maybe game technology, animation, typography. How do I use this collective toolkit that we have to better communicate? So we have two degree programs. The main communication program is the Bachelor's in Communication Design program. This is a program with 4 specializations. The first specialization is graphic design. The second one is UI UX, also known as interaction design. That's another specialization. The third specialization is animation and visual effects. The last specialization is rather new because it's in game design. One of the things we realize is that you need, a certain set of skills and an amalgamation of a certain set of skills to become a true creative professional or a complete creative professional. So a lot of whatever we teach here at Pearl is about this bridge between technology and design, technology and art. Hi, I'm CB Arun Kumar, Dean for Communication Design, Film and Gaming at Pearl Academy.